How to open a PDF file from WhatsApp on your laptop. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily open any kind of PDF that you get from your WhatsApp on your laptop. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your WhatsApp application, or you can just use the web version of the WhatsApp. And once you get here, you can click on the chat where the PDF is sent to you. So from here, the first thing that you need to do is click on this download button right here. What this will do is it will start downloading the file on your PC. And in order to open it, you just click on this folder right here. And if you have any PDF reading files on your PC, it will automatically open like this. And if you don't have it, it will open up on your browser. So if you want to open it using a specific app, you can just right click on it, and from here click on open with. And if you have any of the PDF reading apps like Adobe Acrobat, if I click on it, the Adobe Acrobat will open up this PDF. So that's how you easily open PDF on WhatsApp on your computer. I hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you guys on the next one.